ओके यार, वो पिछले लास्ट वीडियो आई मेड इट विद बिग एफर्ट, बट इट्स वाज नॉट recorded. Now I do it again. Suppose if I open an account with 1000 TRX, right, in the Tron chain, TRX chain, it's a new company. Suppose if I open account in 1000 TRX, so the company will give me 1% per day. 1% per day it will give. So in 30 days it will be 30%. Simple is that. So if you invest $100, you will get $30 per day. And your downliner, suppose he invest $1,000. So he will also get $300 per month. But you will get 30% of his profit. 30% profit of his profit. He will get ROI of 300. So you will get out of this 300, you will get 30% of his profit. And after that, this will work till the second level, then third level, and it will go till 15th level. 15th level. So it's a good for networking. Next thing is, suppose there are some level, direct, indirect, like that. This is direct, this is direct, this is direct, and this is also direct. So from every direct level, you will get the 30% of their ROI. And after that, some level are more over there. These are called indirect level. So from 2 to 15, 2 to 10, the 2 to 8 is process is different, 8 to 10 is process is different, 10 to 15 is process is different. That's, I already told you that what are the differences between these. The percentages are different, but the main thing is 30% of their profit you will get, not 30% amount of whatever they invested. 30% of their profit. 30% of profit you will get. So this is very good plan for networking. Thank you. See how this plan work. The plan is that TRX chain. How this plan work? Suppose if I started with 1000 TRX. Suppose if I started with 1000 TRX, 1000 TRX means almost $33. I started with this. And if I am good networker, I can earn much more from my network. And if I want to invest more amount, and I will get put more investment, and I can get. So 315%. Once this will become 315%, you can withdraw all amount and reinvest again. So daily 1%. 1% means in 30 days 30%. 30% per month. You can get 30% per month from this plan. So no business gives 30%. First of all, if you put your amount, whatever your amount you will put, you will get 30%. Now there are some levels. On the first level, suppose the first person, second person, third person, fourth person. All these persons are your direct client. From every direct client, everybody will get 1%. This will get also 1%. This will get also 1%. Okay? This will get also 1%. Now I am activated. After this so many questions, I have to write over here. The second level, so like that. So from first level, whatever the people will get, suppose all these people or your 30 direct, they will get whatever they will get. You will get 30% of your people. You will get 30% of their ROI. ROI means rate of interest. So 30% rate इनका जो profit होगा, whatever they are getting, the 30% of their profit you will get. You. So similarly, there are from 2 to 10, 2 to 8, 8 to 10, and 10 to 15. These are the things. 2 to 8, the percentage is different. And this one and this one, right? So here is 30%, here is 10%, here is 5%, like that. But from their ROI, not their complete income. So it's very good plan. So you can start with 1000 TRX, or you can start with 2000 TRX, or you can start with, because this is different from dollars. So approximate 1000 TRX are $33. That's why I said $50. So either the different packages on the my video or on my YouTube, or you can see whenever you will join with my referral link. Referral link will be given in the description. So you will see which package you are choosing. Suppose there is 1000 trades written, you will click 1000 and press join. 2000, you will press 2000 and then you can join. So it's best for networking, and it will continue. If it is continue, we can introduce somebody. And one more thing I will discuss. But one question somebody asked me. There is a difference in this system. Suppose if I join with 1000 TRX, right? 1000 TRX, and my downliner join with 5000 TRX. This is not Forsage or something else. If he joined 5000 with 5000 TRX, no problem at all. He will get 1% every day. Means in 30 days, how much he will get? In 1 day he will get 50. In the 30 days he will get the 1500, right? So out of 1500 I will get 30%. 30% of his income I will get. So this is my direct. So after that some more clients will come. Some more clients will come. So till 15th level, till 15 level it will go. First level, second level, third level. So if you have a good network, you can earn much more amount from this. One of my friend, he immediately in just 10 days, he get his 1000 TRX from his network. Easily he got it. Like this it will work.